Hail Mallrat Hobbyists, this is the OC Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. Today we will be unboxing this Warhammer The Horus Heresy Solar Auxilia Tactical Command Section. So, yep, I finally gotten Horus Heresy models, but I will probably be using them for my 40k army, but that's fine right there. So this is the equivalent to the command squad of the Imperial Guard during the Horus Heresy, the Solar Auxilia, and I wanted to see what was inside. Probably can be used as a 40k Imperial Guard command squad of some sort, definitely the bit, so let's check it out. Yeah, so tactical command section, let's see the back. Yeah, so as a paint guide over here, of course, who follows GW painting. If you're a decent modeler, you can make your own scheme. Okay, tactical command section. This set can also be used to build a life ward section or a line command section. Since I don't play Horus Heresy, I have no idea what those are, but a command squad is a command squad. Hey, so let's check out the content. So there should be 5 figures inside: a Auxilia captain, an Auxilia companion with cohorts Vexilia, essentially a standard bearer, Auxilia companion, veteran guardsman, Auxilia companion with command box, that's your master box, and then Auxilia companion with augury scanner, which is just command squad guy. Variant build has some sort of cool weapon over there. Legate Marshal with Thunderhammer and Architect pistol. That's a really small Thunderhammer. I'm used to the Space Marine. Well, we can't get Thunderhammers in 40k for Imperial Guard, so that's why I'm not used to that. So let's take a look. I think I've already checked this a while ago, and it does come on like a single sprue. I think this is why, which is why this is a cheap. This is somewhat cheaper than an Imperial Guard command squad. As of 2025, Warhammer 30k 10th edition, that would be the Cadian command squad, the Krieg command squad, and I think the Katakan command squad is still in production. So those are a little bit more expensive than this one, which makes Horus Heresy box sets a nice, cheaper alternative to 40k ones. Okay, so let's check what's inside. Nothing in the box. Nothing in the box. Let's keep that there. Okay, so transfers. There's a bit that came off. What is this? Ah, shit, that looks like a grenade. Oh no, it's a pouch. It's a pouch. You guys can see the pouch. Yeah, I'll just put it back in the box later. Okay, manual, black and white paper. Unlike the Warhammer ones, I guess this is how they cheap out on Horus Heresy stuff. And then you have 1.5 sprues. That's cool. So we'll check out the sprue. Wow, that is really dense with parts. You guys see it? Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot to check the date of this. So let's check. That's Games Workshop 2024. There you go. 2024. It's a little. I can't really see it because there you go. 2024 Games Workshop. Okay. So I'm not too well versed in Horus Heresy stuff, but I guess these were made in 2024. We'll see the sprue later. Okay, so bases you have. Okay, I'm not gonna remove them from the base anymore since you guys can see, but actually let's do that because this is a little bit surprising to me. Guys, there are more than 5 bases. There are 6 bases. I see that. So these are 25mm bases. Your standard Imperial Guard base size. Of course, the Cadian Command Squad, as of 2025, does come on 28mm bases, but the Krieg Command Squad comes in 25s. So does the Katakan Command Squad. So GW get the shit together. Yeah, but these guys come on 25. So there are 6 25mm bases, which is a nice discovery right here, even though it's supposed to build just 5 miniatures. So black and white paper, cheaper paper manual. Okay, that's fine. Okay, but that means there aren't any colors for the variants and stuff. So just instructions on how to make each figure. Of course, you can figure it out on your own if you're an advanced modeler or a decent modeler. Okay, but yeah, this is Solar Auxilia with las rifles, which are just las guns. Yeah, pretty much the standard better. Cool looking power sword. Yeah. Look, his leg is off. And then this is your commander or your legate marshal with a thunderhammer or a paragon blade or a sword or something. You can be armed with an inferno pistol, volkite serpenta, or architect pistol. Essentially, it's just plasma pistols or bolt pistols. I'm 40k guy, guys. Okay, so oh yeah, there's a dry transfer sheet over here. Warhammer The Horus Heresy, Solar Auxilia 2023, which is probably when the first Solar Auxilia models, at least infantry models, were made. So yeah, so let's check out the sprues. So there are 1.5 sprues. Okay, let's check out the half sprue first. So the half sprue, Games Workshop Limited 2024. You guys can see that. Yep, so that's a brand spanking as of 2025. That's a new sprue. See what's on it. So the standard of Vexilia, or the standard, is here. It's cool bits for conversion. There's a power sword. Ah man, it's a little bent. It is bent. It's really thin. That's the thunderhammer, which is just a close combat weapon. Las guns. Okay, there's a body. I guess this is the commander. Okay. It has a lot of heads, by the way. That's that cool Solar Auxilia Roman style head. And then there's a, is that a head? That's another head over there. So 2. And then a bunch of heads here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on this pro alone, there's 7 heads. That's cool. Okay, I don't recognize the weapons, but you know, 40k player, that looks like a melta pistol. I guess that's a volkite pistol or something. Okay, and just use them as counts as plasma pistols, or just use a plasma pistol. Stick on one. Okay, so let's take a look at the main sprue. So the main sprue, so that sprue has 7 heads. This sprue, so this is the main sprue, which has parts to build. You have 5 bodies over here. You probably have pairs of arms. You have 5 las rifles over here, at least. We saw 1 on the sprue already. They're power swords or just normal swords, which is fine. Okay. How many legs do you get? So you get a pair. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 with a leg, and then with a foot, and then 5 with another foot. So 5 legs. You do get another one over there. I wonder if you actually have enough to make 6 people. That would be cool. Yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at the. So let's count the heads. So that one is 7. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 heads. 5 heads here. 6 heads. 7 and 8 there. So you get a lot of bits. You do get a lot of bits, since you can only really make 5 guys, but you get 8 heads, and then you get 15. You get 15 heads. That's a lot of bits. There's a cool power fist over here, Imperial Guard sized power fist. So that's probably what you'll be fielding the commander or the sergeant or whatever, depends on what you're fielding them as in 40k or in Horus Heresy. Okay, and then last rifles over here. There are 5. It's a cool pistol thing. There's a plasma pistol, so there you go. Old style plasma pistol over there. And yeah, that's it. Tons of bits, grenades and whatever. Well, there you go, guys. So, oh yeah, which forgot the date, but it's probably Games Workshop 2024 as well. Games Workshop 2020, 23. Ooh. So this command sprue with the Auxilia is 2024, but this sprue is 2023. Let me go check something, guys. Just gonna check something really fast, because I have a last rifle section here, and I have a feeling that's the same as the last rifle sprue. Let's take a look. Yep, it's the same sprue. It's the same exact sprue as your last rifle section sprue, guys. You see that? So that's the command squad sprue or command section. That's from a, this is from a Solar Auxilia last rifle section sprue. Okay, so there. So the command squad box is just one last rifle section sprue of your Solar Auxilia plus the new command sprue. So keep that in mind. I guess I'll keep that in mind for further purchases, since this was cheap, but the last rifle section is not that expensive as well. Hey, of course, price hike just hit this month. It is October 2025 when we're filming this, so yeah, there's a GW price hike that just happened on the 5th or the 6th, something like that. Okay, and yeah, but so far so good. So your Solar Auxilia Tactical Command Section does come with one Solar Auxilia sprue and a special command sprue. Okay, and 6 bases. So that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so anyway, that was the Warhammer The Horus Heresy Solar Auxilia Tactical Command Section. Damn, I thought the sprue was gonna be totally different, but it's just Solar Auxilia sprue. So that'll inform future purchases. Anyway, if this helped you in any bit, okay, if you guys enjoyed what you watched, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is the OCM Hobbies channel, where we do our hobby stuff. Our main channel is over at the OC Mallrat over at YouTube, where we do game expos and events and other things. So if you guys want to take a look at those, or if you guys are interested in those, swing around to the OC Mallrat channel and check that out. But anyway, I'll see you in my other videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out. Thanks for watching, guys. Damn it. I didn't realize that was just the normal Solar Auxilia sprue. The last rifle section is 4 of these, and it's around a third of the price, something like that. No, almost half the price. This is half the price of the the last rifle section. Okay, so damn, might just get more of these then. But then again, the new combat force boxes are coming out soon, so I just get those. Anyway, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.